Hello friends, welcome to Enabling Accessibility, a platform for easy learning. We hope you are finding our tutorials useful. For more interesting tutorials, do subscribe to our channel and click on all notifications to receive updates of our new uploads. Okay, let's get into our topic.
In this tutorial, we are going to learn about volume control feature from JAWS 2021. In previous versions of JAWS, we were not having any special shortcut keys to control JAWS volume or system volume. Now, from JAWS 2021, we have the feature to control the volume of system or JAWS. So now, let's learn how to control the volume of system or JAWS. You can use this method wherever you want. This is a special JAWS layered key shortcut. To activate the layer key, use insert space. Then press V for volume. Now you can decide whether to control system volume or JAWS volume. If you want to control only the volume of JAWS, press J and then use arrow keys.
Volume. JAWS. 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 80, 80, 80, 87, 76%. 780, 80, 80, 80, 96%.
If you want to control the volume of system, press S and use arrow keys.
Volume. System. 50, 4, 4, 4, 4, 40, 30, 36%. 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, 48 for 50%.
After you set the volume to desired level, press Enter or Escape. Friends, if you have anything to share with us, please share it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials like this, like our videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.